Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to check your connection status with Netflix. If your Netflix is not working or not loading content, you can check whether your connection with Netflix server is active or not. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can select any profile, and here under the get help you can select the get help, and under the get help you have this option called as check network. Just select on that option, and what it does, it will check with the Netflix server whether our Netflix app will check whether the Netflix server is active or not, and it will also test the connection speed, which will take a while. So it says that connection speed is 30.5 Mbps, which is more than enough for any video to play on Netflix. So in this way you can check the connection status as well as the video playback issues if you have anything with your Netflix app on your smart TV. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you. Cheers.